Good morning. Welcome to your daily operations weather brief at 8:15. We have some mostly sunny skies out there this morning. Continue to see that throughout the morning hours, and then we'll transition to partly cloudy and mostly cloudy during the afternoon hours as the marine layer starts to move onshore with northeasterly winds across the region. Looking at our surface analysis across the area this morning, we have an area of high pressure over the Ohio Valley. It's going to start moving over the northeast or New England states and providing us with more onshore flow for the afternoon. And that's going to be the weather story for the next several days, as we'll have this area of high pressure kind of lingering over the northern Atlantic states into New England and providing us with periods of low clouds and some patchy fog overnight and partly to mostly cloudy conditions during the daytime with overall just mild conditions and tranquil weather for the Mid-Atlantic. Looking at our current weather this morning at 8:15, we had a few clouds at 1,500 feet. Winds were out of the northwest at 290 degrees at 7 knots, seeing a temperature at 51 degrees and relative humidity at 76%. Looking at our satellite imagery this morning, you can see we have these low clouds off the coast over portions of the northern Mid-Atlantic states and New England states. Going to be moving down towards our region for the afternoon and the evening hours, providing us with some more cloudiness across the region, but overall, as I mentioned, that area of high pressure will remain in control, giving us tranquil weather. Looking at our 3-kilometer NAM model and the derived reflectivity from that, here's this afternoon, moving into 1 o'clock and 2 o'clock, or 1,300 and 1,400 local. Nothing on the radar, nothing expected. Overnight, we'll see the radar indicating some light returns. This is just some low clouds moving in the region. And then for our Tuesday, we'll be seeing very similar conditions with no chance of precipitation, just some low cloudiness across the region, especially in the morning hours, and we'll start to break out into some partly cloudy skies for the afternoon. And then Wednesday, we'll have southwesterly flow in the upper levels across the region. That's going to affect some more moisture in the region in the mid and upper levels, and giving us more mostly cloudy conditions for the morning hours, especially with the combination of some low-level cloud cover across the region. But not expecting any precipitation chances on Wednesday. But we'll have a storm system starting to develop across the southeast states and the Mississippi Valley, River Valley. It's going to be moving towards our region for our Thursday into Friday. Looking at our risk chart for today, we'll have a high temperature around 67 degrees. Northeasterly winds developing this afternoon around 8 to 13 knots, possibly gusting as high as 18 knots. And then tonight we'll see those winds really calm down out of the northeast, anywhere from about 3 to 8 knots across the Mid-Atlantic region or the Wallops region for the overnight hours with a low of 54 degrees. We'll also have a chance of some low clouds and patchy fog across the area with those light winds, the increasing moisture in the low levels from that northeasterly flow, so cannot rule that out being under 500 feet with our ceilings. Our 24-hour terminal forecast, we're going to see some low-level cloud cover built in for this afternoon, looking like we'll see a scatter deck around 3,000 feet, chance that we have a broken deck around 2,500 feet afternoon today, and then after 20 local or 8 o'clock this evening, we'll see a broken deck around 1,500 feet, and a possibility we see an overcast deck around 1,500 feet as well. In the overnight hours, we'll have a chance of some clouds around 500 feet, as well as some restricted visibilities of 2 miles with some patchy fog across the region. And then by tomorrow morning, we'll see a good amount of cloud cover in the region, the low levels seeing a broken deck at 600 feet, overcast deck at 1,500 feet with that patchy fog in the area. Our tides are slightly above normal. And looking at Tuesday into Wednesday, Tuesday will be mostly cloudy in the morning, becoming partly cloudy in the afternoon, high of 69 degrees. A yellow for our ceilings during the morning. Tuesday night, partly to mostly cloudy with light winds, a slight chance of low clouds. So again, that yellow for those low clouds, a low of 54 degrees. And then for Wednesday, partly to mostly cloudy with a slight chance of a rain shower late, and looking like that chance of rain shower will be about 20%, and that would come around that 8 o'clock hour when this Wednesday forecast would expire or end, and seeing a high around 70 degrees, and most likely we would see rainfall Wednesday night into Thursday with a warm front approaching and moving through the region with a better chance of that rain shower occurring during that time period. Well, that's going to complete our 8:15 daily operations weather brief. I hope everybody has a great day. Back at 10 o'clock to look at the next 7 days.